Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and right here I have a new device. It's called the BlackBerry Passport. It's actually been out since 2014, and I actually did an unboxing for the BlackBerry Priv as well, which has a slide-up keyboard. So I wanted to actually do an unboxing of the Passport as well, because I realized that this device actually has a large keyboard. And one of the broskies, Paul Tech, is actually messaging me. That's pretty cool. I just did a comment on his video, but it's from Incredible Cellular, and it's called the BlackBerry Passport. It's been out for quite some time. This is more or less like a collector's item, and it's running on BlackBerry OS 10. So it's not gonna be, like a brand new device or anything of that stretch of the imagination, but I've actually been wanting to get my hands on this for quite some time, so I'm actually quite excited about this device. Really excited right now. So you can see it says BlackBerry Passport. You can see the physical keyboard. It has all the, the keys, excluding numbers. You can see it says BlackBerry right here on the other side. There's nothing. And there's like a flip up tab right here, so you can see at the bottom it does say BlackBerry Passport AT&T. This should be the unlocked version, and then right here we're getting SKU numbers and stuff like that, and MEI numbers. Let's take a look at the specifications of this thing. You can see it says 4.5 inch full HD 1440 times 1440. Well, that's a weird ratio of, and then 453 pixels per inch, 2.2 gigahertz quad core, Snapdragon 801, 13 megapixel autofocus, iOS, LED flash, 2 megapixel front, memory is 32 gigabytes plus 3 gigabytes of RAM. Then you get the battery right here, which is a 3450 milliamp hour battery, Li-ion polymer, I believe, and that's actually pretty decent for 2019, especially since this thing was released in 2004. BlackBerry 10 OS right here, as you can see. This thing is recyclable. Obviously, this thing was opened before. You can see right here, boom. So this thing has been on the shelves for quite some time now, but wow, look how wide and beautiful this thing looks. It says texting and driving, it can wait. You see, you get the AT&T logo right there. You got the BlackBerry logo at the top. You got this QR little code right here, and you can see the device looks really good. It says SD right there, then SIM right here. So let's go ahead and slide this right out of here. And let's just, let's go ahead and take a look at the weight. Now, I knew Spectacular Gadgets did get her hands on the BlackBerry Passport. Shout out to Spectacular Gadgets. I definitely do appreciate when other YouTubers actually comment down below and give me their opinion on some of these devices. And she decided she wanted to pick one up, and I definitely think you should check out her video right after this one, because I definitely think that was a really sick unboxing of this device. So let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. Right here you can see we do got the the power brick. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and just take a look at what's inside. Let's take a look at what they did have to offer us. You can see it does have that BlackBerry logo right here on the BlackBerry charger, and then you can just for your own appreciation, just take a look at right here some of the volts and amps that this thing does have to offer. So I'll just pause that there real quick. It does say 5 volts right there equals 1300 milliamps. So we're gonna put this right off to the side, back in the box. You do get another tool right here, which is going to be your USB-A. So let's just put that back in the box. And we do get a quick guide right here, which does give you other suggestions and tips and stuff like that, so you can take a look at it if you so desire. But I'm gonna make this video really quick, and we're gonna jump into a lot more detail and get this top portion that we're gonna just put off to the side, and nothing else to rip off except for this camera thingy majiggy. Boom. So that's off of there. Now we can appreciate the back, which is rubberized. You do get the BlackBerry logo right here, the AT&T logo right there, the camera right there, and the flash. And you do get right here, no texting. It can wait. So let's go ahead and rip this one off from the bottom left right hand corner. Let me see, boom. Alright, so we got that off. Now let's go ahead and power. Wow, this feels really good and looks really sweet. I love this aspect ratio. It says 1440 by 1440. So let me just hold down the power button. Where is the power button? It's gonna be at the top. Okay, that's pretty cool. Then you do get your charge right here. These look like dual speakers. I'm holding down that button and I'm not getting any juice right now. So we're gonna keep holding that down and This thing is obviously dead, so we'll come back in just a second and give this thing some juice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead put this in here and just lock that in. Now I can see there's a light right there that came on. Let me go ahead long press this button. We need some juice in here. So now we have juice. It says BlackBerry. Okay, boom. So we'll wait for that to turn on. Now it's actually charging, so we'll wait for that to charge and I'll be right back. Alright, so here we go, guys. It just started to power on like randomly. It says right here, starting BlackBerry 10 OS, verifying and securing device. I was just sipping a brew real quick and I just saw that coming on. I was actually watching some of my favorite YouTubers at the moment. Let me go ahead and wait for this thing to power on. This looks really cool. I love this aspect ratio, that huge square. It definitely looks sick. I'm really happy that I got this thing in the arsenal, and I'm definitely looking at doing some more reviews on here. Now, I did get this thing for like $130, and actually, you can see right here it says connect to your mobile network. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let me pause the video. Okay, so I got the SIM card right there on the little thing right there. And this thing, I'm sure I watched Spectacular Gadgets video. She said just pull that off, and yeah, that just came right off really easy. It's got some like information here, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my SIM card inside of here. Let me just put that in here. SD card, I'm sorry, not SIM card, SD card. And this should just slide right in. Oh wow. Let me just pause the video real quick. That just shot out like a rocket. Okay, so the SIM's like there. I think I was putting it in the wrong slot at first. That was my mistake. But that actually should have like a lock-in mechanism. Let me see. Yeah, it clicks in and then you just put this right back on. That's actually pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Let me see how easy or hard this is to get back on. Okay, so that's annoying. Let me just pause the video real quick. Oh, so I was actually putting it on the wrong way. That was actually pretty easy to get on, but wow, this is like a really dope texture right here. It's like remember those leather couches that you know, like dentists would have? This is definitely that same material, or like it's just like a leather, like genuine leather. That feels dope. Where's this cloth? I want to wipe this off a little bit. Okay, now it says right here BlackBerry ID. So I'm gonna skip this, and then it says BlackBerry ID skip right here. Touchscreen keys right here. Diagnostics, we'll enable that. That's location right here. It says software update. Checking for software updates right now. So like right out of box, it's asking me if I want to do a software update, additional updates right now. Checking for additional updates and applications for your service provider. Let me see. It says tap to continue to downloading. 56. That's not even bad. Let's click continue. Boom. Automatic updates. Will update automatically. Okay, no problem. Continue. No problem. It says essential gestures. Swipe your finger across the keys right here, and you'll be able to do that. So let's just see. Boom. Yeah, that actually worked. Touch the physical keyboard to complete the tasks. So let me see right here. Whoa, I'm moving the circle. Move the circle to the left edge right here, and move the circle to the right edge. Okay, boom, I did that. Whoa, are you kidding me? This is dope. And then it says touch the physical keyboard to complete the task. Scroll up and then scroll down. Wow, that feels really cool. That feels like really cool. The Priv is dope as well. We're gonna do a comparison of these two and definitely like see which one has like a better keyboard. I definitely think this one's a little bit easier I haven't even typed on it yet, so I can't say that, but the keys look bigger already. You can see how much bigger the keys are right here, and these have backlit keys. I'm not sure if these are backlit, so that's the only difference. Then it says use the physical keyboard to scroll web pages and much more. Continue. And then it says you can try here sliding. Let me just tap right here, and then it says to leave the clock app, touch the bottom edge of the screen and swipe up. Whoa. So that you swipe up, you have minimized the app on your home screen. Okay. Now it says tap here to try. Let me see. Well done. So that's how you would get to the settings of any app, it says. Alright, so this is completely different than Android. What is this? It says touch the bottom of the screen to swipe up. Let me see. Boom. And now it says that I'm connected to LTE right here at the top right hand corner with Cricket. It's actually charging. It has the NFC symbol, so I know there's NFC right there. 5% on this device, rotate, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, normal, flashlight, battery saver, blend, alarm clock, Bluetooth. This is completely different than like an Android device. So let's see what apps it has on here, and then we'll just wrap up the video. I don't want to make this thing too long, but you see BlackBerry Hub, Contacts, Calendar, BlackBerry BBM, text messages, BlackBerry World App Store, Amazon, browser, Docs to Go, Maps, Remember, Pictures, Music, Videos, Story Maker, Clock, Weather, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. There's a lot of bloat on here. YouTube, Adobe Reader, File Manager, Box, Connect to Dropbox, Smart Tag, Compass, Settings, Setup, Tutorial, Assistant, Phone, and Camera. Let's go to Camera real quick. It says you could leave there by swiping up. We're going to add the geotags as we always do. And we definitely need like some type of prop for the camera really quickly. So let's go ahead and see how fast the shutter is right now and just take a quick picture. And let's go ahead and take a selfie right here. It says switch the camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a selfie. Now let me just show you how both of those pictures came out. Right here, this is the front facing camera, and that's not bad at all, especially for low light. That's like kind of good. Let me just show you right here. Capture some good detail on my face. And then right here you can see that's the rear camera, and that's actually pretty good as well. So let me just get out of here, swipe up, and you get out of there. YouTube, let's go to the YouTube and just listen to that's like the web-based one. Alright, so let me just type in C Butler right here, and then hit enter. That was actually really easy to type with. You can see I'm the second one right there that comes up, but then you can see right here, this is the page right here. So it looks like almost like a computer, setup right here. Let's click this new video that I put up like about an hour ago, and let's just play that and turn up the volume right here. And let's put it on landscape mode right here. And you can't turn it landscape. Wait, let me see. You wouldn't need to because it's the same aspect ratio both ways, but this is definitely pretty cool. What I forgot to mention is you can also side load APKs on here, and it's compatible with Android apps. I just pressed the space bar and it paused it, and that's pretty cool. What's this button? HDMI. So you get HDMI on this device. Let me swipe up, and wow, this feels really dope, guys. I really like this device. I like BlackBerry 10 OS right now. I'm really liking this. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm definitely gonna do a lot more videos just like this, so make sure you guys stay locked in, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But I'm still getting used to this device. When I master all the different features that it does have to offer, I will do another video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. But you guys are the real MVPs. It's your boy Serrano, and if you found this video helpful in any way possible, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. But it's your boy Serrano, and I appreciate every last one of you. You guys are the real MVPs, and in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you guys are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.